What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So it's time to do the battle of the cameras between one of my favorite phones, the LG V60, versus the new kid on the block, the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now, I know a lot of people might say that, hey, easy, the LG V60 is an old device. Well, the name of this YouTube channel is called Easy Computer Solutions. That means that I can make any video that I want. So in this video, I'm going to do a camera comparison between the LG V60 and the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And let's go on to see which one is King Supreme. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go.
The Chosen.
All right, guys, so here it is, the LG V60 and the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The LG V60 is one of my favorite phones and one of my go-to devices for video and photos. But we got the new kid on the block, the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And I'll tell you what, it's been impressing me so far having it for a few days here. But let's put it to the test and see which one is King Supreme. All right, so let's go on and zoom in on that tower there and see which device give you the better image. Let's go 10 times zoom on the LG V60 and let's go 10 times zoom on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now let's see if I can put both of those in focus there. All right, so looking like the Galaxy S22 Ultra giving me the best shot there. And let's go to the zoom out just a little bit. All right, go back out and let's go ultra wide and go ultra wide, and there it is. So at 10 times zoom, the Galaxy S22 Ultra has a better image. And let's go 2 times zoom here, or better yet, let's go 3 times zoom on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and let's go 3 times zoom on the LG V60. And here we got 3 times zoom. So there it is a way better image now on the LG V60 than the Galaxy S22 Ultra, but the Galaxy S22 Ultra has a better image overall.
The Chosen.
All right, guys, so here it is. This is all low light between the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the LG V60. I want to show you guys this footage because, you know what, everything looks good in the daytime, but how about low light? So let's go down and see what we can do here. We got the dealer sign over there. And again, let's see if we can zoom in here. That's about 4 times zoom on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and that's 4 times zoom on the LG V60. So there it is, 4 times zoom on both. Let's get it back here. All right, and let y'all guys see the sky and everything else in between. You guys let me know. I'm doing this in 4K. All right, let's check out the stabilization. And look, I love the LG V60. It's a very, very good device. But the Galaxy S22 Ultra is the new kid on the block. And you be the judge for yourself. Look at that. Look at that shadow of me. Look at that rock. This is low light. Beautiful. Nice detail on both devices. I'm not going to lie to you. Low light, it is good on both devices. And wow, look how pretty that is. Now, don't get me wrong, the Galaxy S22 Ultra got a little more detail, but the LG V60 is no slouch. So this is nighttime video on the LG V60 and the Galaxy S22 Ultra, baby. All right, guys, so this is the front-facing camera on the LG V60, the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now, I can tell you right now, the skin tone look a lot better on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, but the LG V60 is no slouch. Now, the LG V60 cameras have came a long way. If y'all guys remember, you know, the LG V40 and the LG G7, and going way back to the LG G6, those front-facing cameras was not that great, but now LG have stepped up. Well, they no longer exist, but they definitely have stepped up on the LG V60, made better front-facing cameras, but you be the judge for yourself. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the LG V60 and the Galaxy S22 Ultra in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.
Dantana.